Hi, my name is Cece Kong and I'm the Community Outreach Team Leader for Down to Earth. I'm excited to show you one of Down to Earth's most popular deli recipes today, the Pono purple potato salad. The key ingredient is our Okinawan sweet potato. When we peel it, it reveals this beautiful purple color. We're actually going to boil it, so you need enough water to at least cover the sweet potato. While our sweet potato is boiling, we're going to prepare the dressing for our salad, a delicious cashew mayo. So we've soaked these cashews overnight and we just put the cashews in our blender, and then we've got some yellow miso here and our wasabi powder. We're going to give it a whir. Oh, yep, definitely need to add a little bit of water in here. So this is the ideal consistency where it's nice and creamy, not too thick, so that it'll clump together, but it'll spread nice and evenly over the salad. Now I have some sweet potatoes that I boiled earlier. We're gonna slice these into bite-sized cubes. So now the part where we put it all together. We're going to scrape our cashew mayo. Then we will add some celery as well and watermelon radish. Once we have mixed it all together, that is our beautiful Pono purple potato salad. So you can find this recipe at hinowdaily.com or also at our website, downtoearth.org.
This segment is sponsored by Down to Earth.